Hello guys, welcome to the continuation of our OpenCV drawing shapes video tutorial. So in our last video tutorial we got stuck. I mean we got a little bit stuck here. So like I can't able to explain. I can't explain like what the starting angle and ending angle is. So now I can explain that to you guys. Okay. So this is how it works. So so we all pretty much know what these things are perfectly fine. So in this case, in drawing ellipse, so we have to specify the first argument is the image on which you want to draw your ellipse, and then the second argument is your center point of the ellipse. So where do you want to draw the ellipse in that image? And then the third argument is your major axis and the minor axis. And then the fourth argument is the, the the angle of rotation in clockwise direction. That is this one. And then these two arguments are your starting point and the ending point of the ellipse with respect to major axis in clockwise direction. Okay, so that's what it is. So in our case, let's say I open up a paint. So let's assume that this is a center point, and this is my major axis, and this is my minor axis. So this is how it works. So the starting point, the starting angle, let's say I have given 90 degrees. So it goes 90 degrees with respect to major axis. This is a major axis, so in clockwise direction. So it goes over here, and then it ends here. Okay, so that's what this thing is supposed to do. Let's execute a code and see. So and this is the I think it's color, and then the other one is the thickness of the line. So let's minimize this, save, and execute. Yeah, let me bring out. Yeah, it's exactly done what I've said. So this is what I said, and this is what I've done. It's just exactly same. Okay, so now we understand how to draw ellipse in OpenCV. The reason why I reduce my window size is because every time I record a video on my whole screen, the data it takes is huge. So that's the reason why I record the portion of the screen where my IDE is, so that it reduces the video that I'm actually recording. So yeah, reduce the size of the video that I'm actually recording. So now let's go ahead and see like how to draw um, polygons in ellipse. So in order to draw the polygons is like n-gons. You could have as many, let's say square, you have 4 corners. In n-gons, you can have as many as you want. So polygons or n-gons. So now, in order to draw polygons, you have to have your corners or the points in which you want to draw your polygons. Let's say I go open up my pane again, and then let's say I want to draw here, 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 here. So I have to have these vertices in terms of like rows and column where it is, where it is, where it is. And then I could either like draw it like this. Else, if I want to close it, I can close it. If I want to fill this, I can fill this. If I want draw it with a line of certain thickness, I could draw it with a line of certain thickness, like how we drew our circles and yeah, other shapes basically. So I minimize this one. Then now let me go ahead and create those points. PTS equals np dot array. It has to be a numpy array and it has to be 32 bit. Okay. So let me start at 5, 5, and then I go. I want to start below. Let's say this represents row and column. So let's say I go 50 down, and then 5, and then I go 10 up, and then 10, and then I go uh, 5 up, and then 15, and then I come down to 25, and then 20. After that, I have to specify the data type, and basically it has to be. I also have to close this up. 32-bit. So, comma np.int32. Okay, I close this thing, and then I have to reshape this one. pts equals pts dot reshape. You just do this one. So I'll explain what this is actually doing later, if not in the next video tutorial. So maybe we try to maybe we just print this out and see what it does. That's the easiest way. Print pts dot shape. So after we reshape, print pts dot shape. You don't want to see this. HTML and this one. So it actually converted this from a 2-dimensional array to a 3-dimensional one. Okay, that's what our reshape has done. So now we know what this particular thing has done. Now let's go ahead and draw a polygon. I can't use IMG in this case because the name is now recently changed to Braba. Braba equals cv2 dot polylines, and then I have to call this. Actually, you could call this thing anything you want. In this case, here you can't use img because the name has been changed. Then here I have to pass the arguments pts. So true, I'll explain I'll show you guys what true does actually, and then let's make this combination of red and green. 0, 255, 255. See, first let's save F5. So here is our polygon that we have just designed the points based on the points that we have keyed in. So now let me close this one and then make this false. So now it will be filled. The polygon will be filled. Oh crap! No, sorry, I forgot to explain what it's actually. So if it is true, it actually closes a polygon. If it is false, it's not going to close a polygon. So that's what this thing is all about. So maybe let me pass another argument and give this 5. So we want thickness to be thicker, so it actually can increase the thickness. Now it's thicker. So the last argument is always the thickness of the line that you want it to be, and by default it is 1. Okay. Simple. So now now it's pretty much it. So now let's see how to add text to your image. Okay. So before you add text, you have to create a font. Font. Font equals. Let me copy paste this one. That's the font that we're using. but actually I want the text to be drawn on this image. So, and I'm gonna write OpenCV. I want to type let's go. Let's go. This is the starting point of the line. Then the font that you have defined. Let the starting point be the center point. We always love to have it center. Okay, the font is this one, and I got no idea what 4 represents. Then this is the color, so it's gonna be in white color. The thickness is gonna be 2. It saves this and executes. So it's actually let's go. I think the last one represents the font size. I think this represents font size. Let me reduce the size to 1 and then yeah, it represents the font size and we beautifully printed out let's code on our window. So thanks for watching this video. See you guys on the next video tutorial. More image processing videos are to come. Stay with me, learn, let's change the world. That's the objective of Let's Code. See you guys in the next video tutorial. Bye for now.